Hey guys, welcome back to our brand new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we get the brand new epic evolution, Plesiosaurus, our very first epic evolution. We just got this today at Best Buy. It came with a Poposaurus, with that Stegorus and a Eoraptor, I believe. We also have the Avaceratops now. Right here, we have all of these four. Actually, 5 of them. Yeah. So, actually 4 because these two are from one packaging. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna compare this Plesiosaurus to its variants from Dino Escape. I think this is Dino Rivals and this is a battle damage right here. It has a lighter color than the Dino Rivals. Right there, it's a Walmart edition. It's a battle damage. There you go. Compared to this one, it doesn't have that feature. It has a flipping action though. If you click this button right here, it moves its flippers. This one doesn't have that feature. It just has that battle damage. But the Dino Escape has it's the same thing. I actually painted it brown stuff. Some brown in it. So it has that feature as well. But this one doesn't have any features. The Epic Evolution doesn't have it because it already has that scanny DNA on its back. Right there. Nice color. And yeah, let's open it up. Alright. Let's take it out. Okay. There you go. Our first Epic Evolution video. So this one has a darker color now. A dark tail, but for some reason the face has a little like dark orange in it. Wait, what is going on here? Okay, I don't know how the focus works here. Okay, there you go. So we'll compare it to the battle damage. It's pretty much the exact same model. It's just another variant. Yeah, definitely the same thing. They just updated on the belly right here, the side part. Now for the Dino Rivals. Yeah. So this one doesn't move its flippers anymore, it's just manual now. Right there. Then the Dino Escape. So we got 4 now. We got 4 variants of Plesiosaurus. There you go. So once again, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. Thanks again, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.